guys, welcome back. I hope you all are doing really well. So although I work at Sephora and I have access to use all the products there, but there are some products that I absolutely fell in love with and I really wanted to get it to my home for myself so I can use it even when I'm not working. So yes, I have been purchasing few products from Sephora lately and I've got like these 2 bags full of products. So I thought why not go ahead and do a haul video for you guys. So if you guys want to know what all I purchased from the Sephora store in Mumbai, then please keep on watching. So the first product I've got is this Sephora green tea mask. Now this is my second mask. I've already used one mask and I've done like a review / first impression on that mask, and I think I really liked that mask, and I really wanted one more mask to use before Eid, so I've got one more mask and this one is priced at 430 rupees. Next up, I've got another mask from Sephora, and this one is the Sephora Lotus Eye Mask. So this mask has not been launched in India as of yet, but this is a mask for your eyes. I have never ever tried an eye mask, so I'm really excited to go ahead and try this mask out as well. Now this was given to me as a present. Few products in here are given to me as a present, so I do not know the prices of those products, but I would try to find it out and list it below in the description box for you guys. But yes, this is the second product that I've got. Next up, I was also given the Sephora eyeshadow palette. Now this is like an empty eyeshadow palette wherein you can go ahead and store your eyeshadows. So this is like a 3 custom color eyeshadow case, and here's a small key wherein you can remove the eyeshadow from the packaging and put it here. Plus it also has a very nice and big mirror, and I also like the casing. It is a mirror casing with the Sephora logo on top, and I thought that this is very cute, and I definitely have few eyeshadows in here which I want to refill in this palette and take it around with me. Now if you guys have been watching my videos for a while, you would know my obsession with a nude or beige color eye pencils in my waterline. I actually have quite small eyes and I really like to apply like lighter colors to open them up, and hence I picked up this Sephora long lasting gold pencil, and this is in the shade Infinite Beige, and this is the pencil I'm wearing in my waterline today, and I'm absolutely obsessed with this eye pencil. I started using this of course at Sephora, but this is so creamy, so pigmented, like just a single swipe gives me a heck of a pigmentation, and I absolutely fell in love. So I really wanted this pencil for myself and I picked it up. Now this is for 700 odd, so I'm going to list the price of this in the description box as well. Now again, I was given this lip gloss from Sephora. So this is the Sephora Gel Gloss Ultra Brilliant Ultra Shine Lip Gel, and this is in the shade Pick It Up. This is a very cute and pretty Barbie pink color, but I doubt if this will look that great on my pigmented lips. So I'm going to give this as a gift to someone I know, probably my niece or some small girl, and I'm sure they would really love this lip gloss. So next up, I've got this Sephora High Coverage Concealer in Natural Finish, and this is in the shade 20 Cream, and I thought this is a very nice concealer to use under the eye and on the bridge of the nose as an highlighter. I've been into highlighting lately. I love the technique of highlighting and bringing up the features of my face forward, so I thought this would be a really nice option for that. Now another thing I've been loving from Sephora lately are their mascaras, and this one is the mascara from Sephora, and it is for volume, length and definition. This is like a multi-purpose mascara. It does everything to my lashes. It makes them look long and voluminous and fluttery and really nice. Hence I picked up this mascara as well, and this one is in the black shade. It says Ultra Black. Now I have a lot of eyeshadows with me, so I don't really need a lot of eyeshadows, but I realized I do not have a lot of cool tone eyeshadows with me, hence I picked up these 2 eyeshadows. This one is in the shade Be On The A-List, and the other one is Don't Get Me Wrong. I really like the quirky names. So this one is more of a cool tone brown, and this one is like a cool tone golden color, and I'm really excited to go ahead and try this and create a look for you guys. And yes, these eyeshadows are priced at 970 rupees. Now since the time I've gotten used to beauty blenders, I've forgotten using brushes to apply my foundation, and at the max I would go ahead and use like a flat top brush or a kabuki brush, but I think it has been ages since I've used like a flat foundation brush to apply my foundation, and I've been using this brush at work. So this is the Must Have foundation brush from Sephora, and this is the one I'm using at work, so I really like how dense this brush is. Plus it also helps me in achieving a very nice and flawless application for my foundation, and hence I wanted to buy this brush for myself as well. I'm sure most of you guys would know that NYX in India has been relaunched by L'Oreal, and they did send me a couple of goodies to go ahead and create a look. However, I foundation, and hence I decided to pick up this foundation from NYX. So this is the NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat foundation, and this one is priced at 890 rupees. And I have used this foundation at work a couple of times, and I do think that this is one of the best drugstore foundations available in the market. So please let me know if you guys want me to go ahead and do like a review on this foundation, because I really like this foundation. And this is priced at rupees 890 only. So I think this is a very nice drugstore foundation, and I'm definitely going to incorporate in the look that I'm going to create with the NYX products. And although I did receive an eyeshadow palette with the NYX goodies, there was a specific look that I wanted to go for, and I wanted like a different colored eyeshadow palette. Hence I picked up another eyeshadow palette from Sephora, and this is the NYX Purple Smoky Look Kit, and this is a combination of eyeshadows and lipstick, and this is more of a purple toned eyeshadows, and I'm sure you guys would get a hint that I'm going to create an eye look based on purple color. And I'm really excited to go ahead and use this eyeshadow palette and create the look. Now we recently got a Tangle Teaser counter at Sephora, and the colorful, compact and cute brushes really intrigued me to go ahead and try one for myself. So I got this brush for myself. This is the Tangle Teaser On The Go brush. So this is like a compact styler which would fit in my bag, and I really love this gold packaging. Plus this also has a cover to protect the brush, and this is how the brush looks like. I thought this is very cute, and it fits perfectly in my handbag. And honestly, I've been in love with this brush. Since the time I've started using this, I think like, why didn't I start using this earlier? This is like an amazing brush if you have long and unmanageable hair that gets like tangled really fast. So this is an amazing brush for that. It instantly removes all my tangles without pulling or tugging my hair, and I'm like really impressed with this brush, and I highly recommend this to all you guys out there. Now I also got some samples from Sephora to try for myself and see if I like them. So first one is this mud mask. This is the Sephora mud mask, and it's supposed to purify and mattify with zinc and copper. So I'm really excited to go out and try this mask as well. This is going to be launched in Sephora like really soon. So I'm really looking forward to try this mud mask. And I personally love mud mask, or rather any mask. I'm like a mask junkie. So yeah, whenever I see a new mask in the market, I really want to go ahead and try that out. So yes, I'm really looking forward to try that mask. Now next up is one of my favorite waterproof eye makeup remover, or rather my face makeup remover, and this is the Sephora waterproof eye makeup remover. Now this is like a duo faced makeup remover, and it is blue in color. It removes every bit and traces of even the most stubborn waterproof makeup removers that I try, and I also like to use it for my face, and I think it really deep cleanses my pores and removes like even the lastest and the minutest traces of makeup from my face. I've got this smallest size to carry it with me in my bag, and I'm gonna get like a full size as well, and I think this size is really compact for traveling, and I can definitely refill the remover in this and carry it along with me. Now I also purchased some skincare products from the Shiseido counter at Sephora for my mother, and although I don't have the skincare products with me right now, I do have the samples that I got from them. And you guys, one of the samples is like my ultimate favorite, so I'll just show it to you guys. But before that, I've got this energizing fragrance body cream. I'm yet to try this, but I think this is again really great for traveling, and this one smells so delicious, plus it is extremely hydrating. So yeah, I'm really glad I got this as a sample. The next sample I got from Shiseido is their White Lucid Intensive Spot Targeting Serum. Now I have not tried this serum myself, but I've heard a lot of people raving about this serum, and I am actually suffering from a lot of acne scars and breakouts on my face. So I'm hoping that this serum should help me in lightening those scars and getting rid of the blemishes on my face. Now the last sample I got from Shiseido is this loose powder, and how cute is this, you guys? So this is this miniature version of loose powder, which is again excellent for carrying around. I like to keep this in my makeup bag just in case if I need to touch up my makeup. It also has this small and cute little sponge inside, and I've not used this yet. As you can see, it is still sealed, and I don't even feel like using it. I think that I might just end up finishing it, and then I don't know, but yeah, this is the cutest sample that I've ever gotten in my life. Now the last product I've got for you guys is a brow product, and of course everyone is moving towards the brows on fleek zone. Everyone wants their brows to be on fleek and well defined and well groomed. So although I have a lot of options at Sephora for brows, the one which I personally love is this Brow Zinc by Benefit. This has to be like my ultimate most favorite brow product that I've ever tried, and this is in the shade medium. It comes in two shades, medium and dark, but then I got the shade medium. It has a mirror on the top and it has two colors. So there's a light color and a darker color. And the darker color actually has a cream to powder consistency. So it has this perfect amount of wax which actually sets my brow hair into place, and the perfect amount of color to actually fill in my brows. So this is what I'm using on my brows right now, and I think it looks so natural yet so defined and actually on fleek. Plus it also comes with these three brushes. This one is to use this one is to fill in the brows, this is a tweezer, and this one is another brow brush. And yeah, it is very compact. I absolutely love this. This one also goes in my handbag every single day, and I think I cannot just live without this product anymore. This has become one of my must-have makeup products lately. So yes, with that I conclude my Sephora makeup and beauty haul. If there is any product from this haul that you guys want me to review or share some more information on, please let me know in the comments below. Also, I would love to know your favorite product from the products I've purchased recently. And yes, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.